So this is XAUUSD analysis for Monday the 1st of October. Now let's just have a look at the prices, where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price come down towards this 180 here on the XAUUSD. We've had this consolidation slightly above the 180, below the 180.81. We've had this consolidation around that 1185. We've had a break of that 1185, take us up towards through the 1190, all the way up towards that pretty close towards that 1194, from which we've seen the sell side momentum come back into the market. So we do see points for a test of 1185. If we can find support in around 1185, looking for a move back up towards 1190, successful break from which then looking to target the 1199 here on the XAUUSD. In around 1199, we do have the 200 and 400 period moving averages. Thus increased likelihood of seeing sell side momentum come into the market from that level. But if we can break that 1199, possibly looking at the far end of the range being around that 1204.69 here on the XAUUSD. I can anticipate the previous highs here in around that 1211 being tested here on the XAUUSD, and if we do break down from this 1185, looking for a true test of the 1180.42, successful break from which we would then look for prices to head down towards that 1170.63. Beyond that, we're looking for a move down towards the 1164.19 here on the XAUUSD. What we'll do now is have a look here at the monthly chart. So on this monthly chart of the XAUUSD, we can see here we previously were trending here to the upside. We saw the consistent sell side momentum come into the market over the past couple of months here, closing near our highs. Month of August, we did have a bit of a pullback. September, pretty much closed near where we opened. Did close bearish somewhat, but not to a great degree. So we might be seeing a loss of momentum here to the downside. But for now, we do seem poised. For now, we do have a trend which is facing downwards, but we've not seen that strong follow through in September. So we'll see if we can continue to hold on to this 1180 here on the XAUUSD. And if that is the case, may just see prices start to recover here to the upside. But if we do fail that 1180, may see 1160 and then the 1140s tested here on the XAUUSD. We'll have a look here at the weekly chart. So on this weekly chart, as we can see here, we've had the breakdown below the 1300, pretty consistent move here to the downside, all the way down towards 1160. We've had a brief rally towards that 1214, had this period of consolidation, and through this consolidation, we do appear to be breaking out to the downside. As we can see, previously we've had a breakdown, had a bit of a pullback, and so far again reducing points for 1185 to be tested again. And if that is the case, may just see further continued sell side momentum down towards that 1160. And if we fail to find support there, possibly looking for a move down towards that 1143 here on the XAUUSD. And we'll finally have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart of the XAUUSD, 1160 rally towards the 1214, brief consolidation through the 1199, had a rally all the way towards that 1211, didn't quite get towards the 1214. Again, had further consolidation. We do appear to be we've broken down more recently from this 1199 consolidation all the way down towards that 1180. We've had a brief rally testing the 1185. If we do fail at 1185 and 1180 from a daily chart perspective, looking for the previous lows in around 1160 to be tested. And in the coming days or weeks, if we do see a break beyond 1160, the very next level of note here to the downside, let's just have a look here, that we are looking at would be possibly a move down towards that 1143, successful break from which we then target at 1128 here on the XAUUSD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.